This is SGT Times, bringing news from campus bus to the world. I am Kumkum Sharma, and here's what's making headlines. SGT launches India's first Digital Constitution Museum initiative. Historic voter turnout recorded in Bengal and Tamil Nadu elections. SGT inaugurates Japan Education and Skill Development Cell initiative. Here's a detailed look at our stories. SGT University launches India's first Digital Constitution Museum, promoting awareness and interactive learning. Let's know more about the news.
SGT University, in collaboration with the Advanced Study Institute of Asia, has launched the Living Constitution, a digital museum dedicated to India's constitution. The platform showcases Constituent Assembly debates, historical records, and biographies of key contributors. Designed as an interactive learning space, it aims to make constitutional knowledge accessible and engaging for today's generation, while promoting democratic values and national awareness. Bureau Report, SGT Times.
West Bengal and Tamil Nadu witness historic voter turnout in assembly elections, marking strong public participation. Let's have a look.
West Bengal recorded a historic voter turnout of 92.7% in the first phase of assembly elections, the highest since independence. Tamil Nadu also saw strong participation with over 85% voting. Officials monitored polling through live webcasting. Leaders termed the turnout a sign of active democracy, while the next phase in Bengal is scheduled for April 29. Bureau Report, SGT Times.
Let's pause for a short break. We will be back soon. Welcome back after the break. Here's what's next in the news. SGT University inaugurates Japan Education Cell to boost global skills and career opportunities. Let's know more about the news.
SGT University has established the Japan Education and Skill Development Cell to connect students with global opportunities. This initiative provides Japanese language certification and industry networking. The launch event featured distinguished guests including Sato Koji, Suzuki Takashi, Kuriyama Akira, Miyamoto Tomoya, and Rahul Mishra, highlighting its role in fostering international collaboration and career prospects in Japan. Bureau Report, SGT Times.
This wraps up today's bulletin. SGT Times, an initiative by the School of Emerging Media, Communication and Film Studies, bids you goodbye for now. See you soon with more important news.